That's low. And we are back. We actually found the keeper. Look at that. It's all rusted. We found it back there. Look at this nice weather though. Just not last week.
And your truck is caked.
All right, well, today we're gonna finish this. I made no plans for the whole week, just to finish this. What I'm doing right now is I'm measuring to see if it's even. Oh yeah, dude. Wow.
Perfect.
Surprisingly, that is even. Now we gotta put the keeper back on. Either way, we're gonna take them off, the wheels, to tighten everything back up. I tighten it for real this time. So we might as well get our jacks out. We're missing last time. Somebody damaged it a little bit last time trying to put another keeper that was not the original one. Oh, I gotta go yell at my dog. All you dog lovers.
This is why nothing gets done on this channel.
Look at her eyes though. Get her eyes. Look at that. Blue and brown. Isn't that nice? Move.
What are we doing here?
We're measuring here like around, it's at like 13, a little bit less than 13. We're gonna cut it to, this is gonna be that cross member to the engine. So we have something to, not weld to, but be able to, I forgot to buy nuts. Way to go. And it is perfectly cut-ish.
Another thing, you said safety first. As you cut that on a gas powered.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So now we do the little engine measurement. Well, we can put this back on. Being that we already got our thing measured out, all these are tight. So all we need is everything back on. We should have spray painted these black.
What? The rims?
Yeah, or purple. Purple and then green. That's how drifters have their...
Oh, I was gonna say, you going goth or what?
Oh, drift. I'm going goth, he who wears all black. Jesus. Yeah, buddy. Now we can take this off. Go, boy. Yeah, it's gonna have to go. I ain't got time for the exhaust right now.
Going catless?
We're going catless right now.
Think it'll be louder?
I don't know. Let's do a little
pre-run?
Yeah, a little pre-run. How loud it will be. See how it goes without it.
We're gonna put this in Corsa mode now. I take it.
We're gonna put it in hyperspeed mode here. Gonna take off the.
It's on sport. We're going to Corsa.
Yes, sir. Yep. Oh, put that back on. We don't want any exhaust leak on us.
I think this is gonna be way louder.
It should be.
We're gonna get noise complaints.
It's all right.
That exhaust.
What exhaust?
Look at that straight pipe.
Oh, I can't wait to. Oh gosh, it is actually considered straight pipe.
Yeah. Dude, it sounds like it's backfiring.
It is. Oh my god, dude. Well, being that we had to make some room for that engine, we had to take off the cats. Now we're gonna work on the chain. I did not know how to take it off, but comes with this little thingy right here. So all you gotta do is put this like that, like this, and the other one, and then this keeper. Same way you take it off. You know, do that. You do your little maneuvers. Oh, there you go. So now we're gonna do a little bit of measuring, not a lot. Look at that. Beautiful. Not super loose, but not super tight. So now that we know how much that is gonna go, what our next thing would be is getting this all adjusted, making it sure it's gonna go right there. Okay, what we're trying to do is you see those holes, the line right there? Those holes right there? No, right down at the bottom. Yeah, those. That's what we're trying to get lined up to. Go from there. Yeah, just like that. It's a little crooked. No. I just don't want it to hit this shaft right there. So we'll find a way. Yeah, look at that. It's right on it. See that? How these line up right to this? Just gotta drill some holes out. So the next one, we can cut it out till right about here. Look at that. Perfect. How are we doing on oil? Oh, Jesus, look at that. Oh my.
What are you doing?
Oh, what happened? Too much oil? Huh? So now that we got some holes drilled in, I think next what we're gonna do is gonna be the throttle. So this is all that it's doing. So it's gonna go like this, and then boom. Yes, sir. But proper way of doing that. So this is more than likely gonna be like this. So we stick this in through here. Okay. Okay. Well, you stick it in through there and here. You need two hands. And then see right there, you put it in there, and oh voila. Now that that's in that motion, the other pieces, the other covers,
Lock it in there.
yeah, we're gonna lock it in. See how this is gonna keep it in place. So then all we do is this. So we're here at Ace. We're trying to get the bolts for it. I'm just gonna get 3. So I mean, we're gonna be good with these. Alright, we're gonna cut it right here and then put the chain back in there, and hopefully it works, or else we're gonna have to get a new chain. So now we're gonna put the chain back. Oh, ahorita, what?
It's up. Yo, that's faster than I thought.
Dude! Oh my god! So we're gonna end up taking it out from here.
You just saw what happened.
Dude, look at that! It bended up!
Yeah, because this is all fine, and then we'll cut.
Yeah,
we'll
dude,
we'll cut this. Look, we'll cut it right here.
Yeah.
But it's this.
Yeah,
You nearly killed yourself.
Dude, I almost killed
Like,
myself.
you left-
Dude, and then I didn't want to yell, but fuck, dude, it's hot. Look at that. That's hot right there.
Just take it off.
Yeah, look,
We'll
touch
just
that.
we'll just take it off next time.
Sure.
Dude, it's so loud though.
And then we're gonna end up cutting this whole thing again, and then putting a new one. Look at how bad it kinked. Look, dude, I didn't see that. There you go.